Hello everyone! Welcome again to our e-science class. And I want to say good morning and wishing you a bright and happy day. Let's get started. What to do? I want you to watch, listen, and enjoy and be able to answer what is the video all about. And I want you to draw it afterwards.
Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Shine down on me. Shine, shine, shine. Shine down on me. Shine, shine, shine. Shine down on me. Shine, shine, shine. Shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me.
Alright, so do you like this time? Let's go back with our question. What is the video all about? Can you draw it? I'm gonna give you 1 minute. Time's up. So what do you think is the video all about? It is about, yes, about Mr. Sun. Right. So what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn about why do we need the sun? And you can find this on your workbook on page 49. So today we will describe the sun and letter B to identify the important things that sun do to us. So did you know that the sun is a star? Again, The sun, it is a star. And the sun is the center of the solar system. So do you want to know more about sun? I want you to watch again, to listen and learn. And let us think of this, okay? So I want you to find the answers for these questions. What is a sun? What made up the sun? Where could we find the sun? And lastly, why do we need sun? So are you ready?
Hello friends, and welcome to a new Happy Learning video. Today we're going to learn about the most important star in the universe. Today we're going to study the sun. The sun is a star, an enormous sphere of extremely hot gas which is continuously shining and spinning around. It seems much bigger and brighter than any other star, but that is only because our planet is close to it, more so than to any other star. The sun is in the center of our system, and that's why we call it the solar system. And all the planets in it revolve around the sun. It has been shining in space for more than 4.5 billion years. Yup, I said B for billion, and scientists claim it will continue to do so for another 5 billion years. It's incredible. The sun is composed of gas. The majority of this gas is hydrogen and helium, though there is also some carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. It shines so brightly and transmits so much energy because in its interior they are atomic reactions which turn the hydrogen into helium. To give you an idea, the surface temperature on the sun is 5,800 degrees Celsius. In only 1 second, more energy is released from the sun than that which has been consumed by all humanity so far, just in 1 second. Compared to the Earth, the sun is enormous. 1,300,000 planets the size of our Earth can fit inside the sun. It is also very far from our planet. Do you know how long it would take us to get to the sun? Well, considering that the sun is 150 million kilometers away, if we would travel from the Earth to the sun by car at a speed of 100 kilometers an hour, we would take 170 years to get there. Though the light that the sun emits doesn't take that long to get to the Earth. It takes only 8 minutes for the light to travel from the moment it leaves the sun till it reaches our planet. That's 300,000 kilometers per second. It's absolutely mind-blowing. It can circle the world 7 times in 1 second. There is most definitely nothing faster than light. So now we have learned a little more about the sun, our star, and about light. I hope you found it all very interesting. Goodbye, friends. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to Happy Learning TV.
So, have you gotten more information about the sun? I am sure you had it. So let's move on. So let us think of this. What is a sun? A sun, okay, it is a star. What made up the sun? It is made up of gas. Where could we find the sun? We could find it in the center of the solar system. And do you think we need the sun? Yes, we need the sun. And why do we need sun? So let's move on and let us think of this question. Why is the sun needed? Why do you think? Let us find out. We need the sun because it is a source of heat and light for the planet. Do you know that the sun gives us this kind of energy, and that is called solar energy? Again, the energy that the sun gives us is what we call solar energy. We need sun because it warms the earth so that living things, we, example people, will gonna survive. Next, another living thing are the plants. Plants need the sun to grow and make food. And that is why they also need the sun. The other are the animals. They need the sun for light, heat, and energy. And lastly, do you know that the sun gives people vitamin D to be strong and healthy? And sometimes the vitamin D, it is called the sunshine vitamin. So let's check what you know. Write T if the statement is true or F if it is false. I will just read the sentences twice. Okay, so listen very carefully. Number one sentence or number one statement. Sun is the center of solar system. Again, sun is the center of solar system. And the answer is yes, true or T. Number two, sun gives us vitamin A. Sun gives us vitamin A. And the answer is, what do you think? False or F. Why? Because sun gives us vitamin D, not vitamin A. Third, the sun is a planet. Again, the sun is a planet. What do you think? It's F. It's a no-no. Because sun is not a planet, but it is a star. Very good. Number four. Sun helps the plants to grow. Sun helps the plants to grow. And yes, it's true. Number five. If there is no sun, the earth would be dark and cold. Again, if there is no sun, the earth would be dark and cold. T or F? Yes, T. We got 5 over 5. Very good. Next, this time, I want you to open your book on page 50. Again, turn your book into page 50. Okay, let us check the box if the statement is correct and X if it is wrong. Again, check the box if the statement is correct and X if it is wrong. Number one. Are you following? Okay, let's start. The sun looks small because it is so far away. Again, the sun looks small because it is so far away. Check or X. Number two. Plants can grow even without the sun. Plants can grow even without the sun. Check or X. Number three. All living things need the sun. all living things need the sun. Check our X. Number 4. The sun makes us feel weak and sick. The sun makes us feel weak and sick. And number 5, it would be very cold for life without the sun. It would be very cold for life without the sun. Check our X. This time, let us check your work. Okay, number 1. The sun looks small because it is so far away. What do you think? Absolutely, it's a check. Number 2. Plants can grow even without the sun. It's an X. Number 3. All living things need the sun. Yes, check. The sun makes us feel weak and sick. No, it's an X. Number 5. It would be very cold for life without the sun. Absolutely. Who got full marks? Very good. So next page, okay, page 51. This time, I want you to put circle on the living things that need the sun. So look at the pictures, okay? What are here the living things that need the sun? Okay, so I'm gonna give you 1 minute to find those living things. Okay, time's up. Let's find it out. So first picture, okay, of course, these are people just like us. Do you think we need the sun? Do you think are we living things too? Yes, we are. And we need the sun. How about this? Okay, these are toys, right? So, okay, they are not living things. How about this hen or a chicken? Yes, a chicken is an animal and it is a living thing too. How about the books? You know, they are non-living things. How about this sandwich? Or the hamburger? Okay, a non-living thing also. How about this flower? Yes, a flower is a plant and it is a living thing. And these 2 cows. Yes. So, these are the living things that need the sun. So this time, turn your book on page 52. I want you to trace the rays around the smiling sun and then color the beautiful sun. And before we will gonna say goodbye or to close this session and this lesson, I want you to think about, I can assess myself. Okay. How can you assess yourself for today's lesson? Okay, thumbs up if you could say, I can do this. I'm ready to move on or explain to a friend. Thumb side if I'm almost there, but I may need more practice or help. Or lastly, thumbs down if you were gonna say, I don't understand. I need more work or help on this. So what do you think? What will you gonna give to yourself for? I want to say thank you and have a nice day. I hope you enjoyed and you learned for so much things about the sun. Thank you and have a nice day. See you once again. Our next meeting. Goodbye.